up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of the NV3500 to 4L80 swap. So our next step, we're going to go ahead and remove the clutch pedal and bypass the clutch safety switch. I'm going to show you guys how to do that now. Alright, so up under here, you've got 3 bolts. See those 2 right there? You got that one, and then there's another one a little bit further up, back there behind the clutch pedal. So you want to unhook your master slave from up there where that hole is, which I've already done, and I have an extension because I've already cut this plug off and wired it. But there's the extension. Now to pull out your master slave, just make sure it's disconnected from that switch, and you're going to twist it to the right and then pull it out, wiggle it out, make sure the line's out. There's mine, already done. So we're gonna pull these bolts out real quick. All right, now that you've got those bolts out, you're gonna go over here. I'll clean the garage, by the way. Looks a hell of a lot better, don't it? Till you get over there. Anyways, just go ahead and push right here where that clutch is part of what holds the master slave. So just kind of push on that. There's no bolts or anything holding it to the firewall, like on the outside. So once you get that pushed on, go around here. You want to move all this stuff out of the way, and then you just work it out. You got to pull on it, twist it. All right, so at the back of it, right there. So right there at the back of it where those bolt holes were, just grab that and pull it towards you. Wiggle it a little bit. Then just wiggle it out. Don't hit any wires. Just like that. Now you got your clutch pedal out. And you can sell that if you want to. And now all we have is 3 pedals. Emergency brake, brake, and gas. Alright, so what we're going to do for the clutch safety switch, go ahead and get 2 of these. And make sure it's got the 2 prong on them, like that. Don't have just one. Like that, you want to have 2 of them. And then we're going to get some wire. And then this is about 16 or 18 gauge. So we're going to strip each side. Now that you got those stripped, go ahead and connect it. Alright, so now that you got your jumper made, you're going to go over here to your plug. And it really doesn't matter which way the plug's facing, but you're going to take 2 ends and you're going to stick it in these 2 holes. Just like that. And then you're going to take the other 2 and stick it in those 2. Like that. It should look like. And then now we have no clutch pedal. Now let me just tell y'all that the PCM that's on this truck right now is actually tuned for an automatic. So getting an ECM that is tuned for an automatic or anything like that does not work, because there's a sensor on that master slave cylinder that does the clutch safety switch. So there's not really anything you can do but this. But I would not recommend this, because if you do this and you start your truck in gear and you run into somebody, that's not a good idea. So just for professional reasons, I'm not liable for anyone that has an accident trying this. The only reason I'm doing this is because I'm going to an automatic, So once I've got my transmission, I'll have my neutral safety switch. So I won't be able to start it in gear anyways. So if you're still staying manual transmission, don't do this. But we'll go ahead and see if it starts. I don't have a clutch pedal pressed. And even with the automatic computer though, I had to push the clutch pedal in. But now it's gone. And I've got that jumped like that. We're gonna see if it starts. Alright, so sounds good. And it looks like we got it right. So now what you're gonna wanna do is get you some tape, some electrical tape. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tape this off. I'm just gonna tape around it and I'm gonna tape it up there. Then I've got it taped up into a little ball. I'm just gonna shove it up here and just get it out of the way. Just like that. I know you can't see that, but. Alright guys, that's it. So I just picked up a second job, basically for truck parts. And so stay tuned, we're gonna get a transmission pretty soon and get that cross member done. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe, y'all have a great day. Thank you.